Hand in hand, you enter marriage. Hand in hand, you will step out in faith. The hands to which you will freely give each other is one of the strongest, yet most tender part of yourselves.
Every risk, every hard chapter, and all the countless laughs and amazing memories along the way have led us to this exact moment. You are everything to me. My rock, my best friend, my personal chef, my partner, and all that we do. You are the love of my life. I vow to join you on every journey and every path that life presents to us. As your wife, I vow to protect your heart and keep it safe no matter the circumstances. I'm so happy that we never gave up, that we never took the easy route, and that we took a chance on us. I love you more than any words I could ever write. You're my best friend, and I love you.
Every day I get to wake up next to you is an absolute blessing. It's my favorite moment of the day. You're my best friend. You're my inspiration. And you're my whole heart. I could stand up here until I'm physically removed from this property, and I still wouldn't be able to fully express in words how much you mean to me. On this day and every day, I vow to choose you and only you. I vow to care for you, to protect you, and forgive you, even though you're never wrong. I vow to give our parents some adorable grandchildren, blonde or not, and to provide for you and our family forever and always.
I now pronounce you married under the laws of the state of California. Andrew, you may kiss your bride.